What's up, guys? It's 2TV. Dropping another video for you. In today's video, we are going to be installing quite a few things. We are going to be installing bumper clips, new ballasts and bulbs in one of my headlights, and we're also going to be installing stock STI injectors because I have misfire at 3,000 RPM, and if the injectors don't work, I don't know what will. Quite clearly, we're working on limited space here because the Saab is in the garage for the winter, and my garage is tiny. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Okay, so we got the bumper off. The next step is to take the headlight out, but first we have to get all the bumper clips off, and we'll just install the other bumper clips while we have the headlight off. Okay, so I might have been on the phone with my girlfriend the whole time, but I did do this. We have lights now. All right, so I don't know why that looks teal on the camera, but they are generally the same color. This one's a little dimmer. That is the old one, so I might actually replace it because it came with two. This is the new one. It actually wasn't too complicated. It was kind of just a pain in the ass because of the little tiny screws in it. And I'm looking at doing the injectors and all of the work that goes into that, and I don't know if I have the time or the patience to do that because that job literally looks harder than installing turbos, and the turbo took me 2 or 3 days. So I don't know if I want to do that because the injectors on the left side, if you're looking at the car, the left side, I have to take the intake box out, the whole intake up to the inlet, and then I have to take the coolant reservoir out, the expansion tank out, and then I also have to take the intercooler out, the intercooler bracket off. Then I have to take this heat shield off, and then I have to disconnect the TGV motor out, which is somewhere down here. And then after that, I have to disconnect the fuel rail, and after that, then you get to the injectors. And on top of that, I have to take the fuel pump relay out, and then run my car, run it out of fuel. And then I have to take on the other side, I believe it might just be the air pump and a few other odds and ends, and I don't have the time for that. I don't know if I want to do it. So I might hit up my buddy Ovandi, or Boogie they call him, and he might do that for me. All right, so the next step that we're going to do today is replace these clips. This one right here, you can see this one's really junk. And then over here, this one is actually snapped right here and held in with a zip tie. So we can't have that anymore. So this next one is WR, so it's the right side. So if you're in your front seat in the right side of your car, that's the side that we're on. So all we have to do is pop these in here and then put little screws in there. Alright, so we got this bumper clip on, so we're going to throw the headlight on real quick. What is this?
It's hot chocolate. I made it for you.
Thanks.
I'll warm you up.
So I really don't want to do that headlight, but I mean, I have nothing else to do today, and I'm not fucking doing those injectors. Fuck that. But might as well just do this headlight now. Also, I got this bumper clip in. It was a little loose at first, but once you connect it to the headlight via this bolt right here, it's actually really stiff. So my bumper might actually fit right. Okay, I'm not really sure, but it looks like the previous owner of this car spliced what looks like the power for the halo horns or the fog lights into the day running lights. So I can't really, I have to change the bulb here, and I have to replace this ballast. So yeah, let's get into it. So what I did so far was disconnect the ballast, and then this also is connected to the ballast. It controls, I guess it controls the headlight, but I'll be taking this out. Yo, what's up? It's actually been a while since I last recorded. I got my headlight situation figured out, and I had Ovandi, or Boogie as they call him. He did my injectors for me real quick, popped them in, and I still have the fuel cut issue. My car is still not 100%. Actually, my parents asked me what I wanted for Christmas, and I said a fuel pump. So they ordered me a fuel pump for Christmas. Hopefully when I get that in, my car will be all right, but that's a while away, so there'll be a couple of videos in between. I'm trying to get back on this YouTube grind. This shit's hard. But for those of you who don't know, I'm in the middle of school right now. I'm trying to get my Class A CDL. I already have my permit and everything, just in the middle of school right now, so it's hard for me to record. Don't have a lot of funds coming my way currently. But if you guys are interested in helping me out, I am releasing my own clothing line through End of the Road Clothing Co. So we're releasing my Stu TV line. Here are a couple pictures. Also, if you guys are interested in buying, use the code STUTV, no underscore, STUTV, and you will get 10% off of all orders, including his stuff. Anyways, I was trying to record the last section of the video, and it got all messed up. My phone stopped recording. I was having issues with storage, but I really need to invest in a camera soon. Stick with me, guys, and the quality will get better, and I'll be able to push out more content. But I appreciate you guys. That's all I have for you today. Make sure you're following Instagram, TikTok, etc. Have a good day. Peace.